the video, you know. Enough respect. Yeah, man. Just say you want to catch up on the camera, you see me?
I say all of the time.
Yeah, man, go on back to work later. A little more.
I see this thing.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah. You ripe? You ripe? What you say, ripe or not ripe? Bite, you know? Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me look on it. Let me look on it. No, man, it's not good. It's still green. Listen, green. Can't bite. Can't. You can't. You hurt your belly. How much you want? No, I'm not picky. I'm not picky. Cause young. Okay. Yes, sir. Apple. Hold this. Apple.
No,
Apple. You name Apple. OT80 Apple, but we don't call it that. OT80. But we don't call it that. We call it Apple. Just Apple. So watch this now. They have things to charge Tesla. Tesla electric car. That's good. Oh, look at the little baby.
Where is your mom? That's the mom in the tree.
Also, they have an apple tree running, so much then grow there, you know. Wait, I'm not in that. Where? Oh, oh, in a tree. Yeah, man. Whole heap of apple up on the tree. Yeah, man. Ground look good. Watch this now. You see this? Hey. Carry on. Carry on. A whole heap of sauce up the pan, you know. Eh? Yeah, they're young. Eh? Catch that to me now.
Me if you go catch on the tree.
Listen up.
You're mad.
But now can't catch it.
Them the apple there are some of me pick up this morning.
And drinks now go by that making up.
No, them ready to serve.
And drinks now go by that making up, we'll move with the apple.
No, that one they're not really ready.
My first bite of an apple in many years. Look at this. Look at this. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
No, if you taste it first. May I cup beer? You see one just dropping up.
Don't drop no more.
First drop in over there, then it's bigger than them here. First drop in over there, it's bigger than them.
Yeah, man. Right, they have whole heap of sauce up. Sauce up for days, months, and decades.
Mommy. Get one? Don't get everything no more there, madam.
How was your taxi? How was your taxi? Apply appetizer. Me love Jamaican natural. I'm trying to bring some of it off right out. When we there, I have nothing nice like roast beef with a banana. Yeah, I see it. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river, I'm ready for bed. No boy can't start around.
No boy can buy me up.
Me no foreign man, they nowhere compared to Jamaica.
Jamaica love. Yeah. Oh, you smell the fish, mommy? What?
Man,
Oh my. Look, this a rubber sheep.
apple tastes good.
This a rubber sheep, right?
I'm clicking this up.
Yeah.
Come now, eat the apple on the camera.
Mommy, eat it.
Eat the apple on the camera. Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So they stand out.
A raspberry tree this?
What the camera up on it? Small little one right there, so. Yeah, over there. So you see little red?
Oh, let me look funny like this. I don't see a raspberry.
Right, look, right there, so. Right there, so, look. Right there, so. Alright, there, so. Raspberry. Alright.
Up the right one right there.
How big they
Where?
You can take a picture of this.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Thanks. They want to ripe, not true? Can I eat?
Then get, that's the size, right?
Oh, yeah. Them black when they ripe. Oh, see. Taste and tell me what I go on.
Raspberry or blackberry?
Raspberry.
Oh,
Taste and tell me what I go on. On the camera.
You taste it.
Alright. No. Listen.
No, alright, me taste it then.
If you don't eat it, if you not eat it, me go eat it, cause that can't share. Tell me, talking on mic, why it tastes like?
This is real raspberry from Jamaica, and this is a soursop leaf tea right here. Leaf to make my tea.
Oh,
Bright and early tomorrow.
yeah, man, enough respect.
And this
See,
is
look funny.
Oti apple. Hello.
See there? Raspberry.
Jamaica love.
This one is right.
Yeah, man. Look funny. Yeah, pipe on there.
No, me got the Susan Green Bush. Look, Elvis. I think this is pumpkin.
Yeah. I mean, I think.
Pumpkin.
That foolishness about you think. I could have a opera.
Pumpkin. And the next fine leaf one over there is potato.
Potato, yeah.
What potato? Irish potato?
Sweet potato.
Okay.
And then that like gungo peas.
That
Oh, so you have a farm around here, man?
banana leaf, banana tree.
You have a farm, are you
Oh, look
planting?
at the mango. Look at this mango. Look at this mango. Look at this. Mommy. Mommy, pumpkin. Mommy, pumpkin.
Mango, you look good. What kind of mango them?
Mango.
What kind of mango?
Pasta brown.
Pasta brown mango.
Yeah, one left.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, man. No, say a fear farm. It shows say a fear farm.
Yeah, gongo.
Darker one better. The bite here, I'll let you for you. What do you want to do me?
Yeah, you go blood up your hand.
Yeah. Yeah, fair.
Yeah, man.
Carry vitamin C.
Yeah, man. I roll it for nutrients.
Straight fruit with some man.
I press Marigan. Ready, not ready? Wait, pipe there. Enough respect, you hear? Wait. Oh, yeah, I pipe the right, that's all.
Right here, sir?
Is that? I'll wash it right, that's all.
Oh, right here.
Oh, man, me good, that's all.
We can rough it like this. We love the rough life. We no nice tush thing. No nice tush thing. That's a real yard thing.
Yeah.
That's how it go.
Alright.
Yeah, like his standpipe. Love it.
Alright.
Love it, man. Love it.
Turn off when I'm done.
Yeah, man. You enjoy yourself.
Enough respect, you hear? Anything. Hello. What you say? If you can't show you and you are chichi. That's how you go. Put them on the water, look good enough. Yeah, man. Do some videos. Boy soup taste.
It's delicious.
That is it.
Life is just a party, and you know it's right here. Lemon trees are falling, time to open our stand. What you're giving and make it new. Turn things around and dreams can come. Bad things will happen, what can we do? We grab our boards and when you ride